Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. This is May, bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius Fire Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Sagittarius. Sagittarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Sagittarius. Under the deck, Ace of Cups with Knight of Swords. Someone is rushing to communicate with you. This could be a new person. For some, it could be a past person. It depends upon your situation. And Ace of Cups. For some, a new love, a new person is coming into your life. And for some, you are focusing only on yourself, self-love and self-growth. It is all about. For some, a new person entering into your life. For some, it could be a past person entering to offer their cup of love to you. So let's say you're reading recent past 10 of Wands, Emperor and 10 of Pentacles. I think in recent past you feel overburdened and you are working towards your career, especially financial stability. In relationship wise, I think there is no stability. But you don't want to make any move. Yes, because you only the person maybe always taking care of this relationship. That's why you don't want to take any more. You're feeling overburdened, but you are working towards your career and growth. Yes, there is financial stability. For some already came, for some it will come. Then present Queen of Wands, Death and Four of Pentacles. I think you are not in relationship with your person right now. You are in separation with your person. For some, it was one type of ending. For some, you are in no contact situation. Yes, you are holding back. You decided to holding back, Sagittarius. You are not available to them emotionally. And you are working on yourself. You are taking your control back. Queen of Wands, it's your energy, Sagittarius. Very powerful energy. So you are working on your self-growth. You are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. You are taking your control back. Yes, and there is some transformation also in you, especially in the month of May. Then future, the world, Five of Swords and the Star. Yeah, some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. For some, new cycles are going to be begin. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yeah, for some, there are some disturbances or fightings between you and your person. But you are seeing life in a positive way without this person. Definitely there is some positive hope is coming into your life, the Aquarius. The person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. Yes, the star card is here. Definitely there is some positive coming into your life. Yes, there is some positive growth, especially in your career wise. In relationship wise also, someone new is coming into your life. Something is positive is going to be happen, and the person involved in this connection could be another Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Aquarius. So Scorpio, Aquarius, especially the person involved in this connection. So Sagittarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. See, the same, the star card, strong Aquarius. So definitely they are also have hopes on this connection. So Sagittarius, their current feelings, lot of cards. Sagittarius, their current feelings. Okay, Page of Swords, Princess of Swords, Queen of Swords, Three of Wands, and Three of Cups with Five of Swords. Maybe for some family issues involved in this connection, for some third party situation involved in this connection, maybe family, maybe friend could be the reason for the separation had happened between both of you. But they are spying on you, they are wondering about you a lot. Definitely they want to communicate with you, they want to give clarity, but there is some waiting game is going between you and your person. For some it could be long distance relationship, but your person still hoping for this connection, they still want positive growth in this connection. Yes, they want reconciliation. So let's see the true intentions. Sagittarius, the true intentions. Queen of Cups, King of Pentacles, and Seven of Pentacles with the Empress with Princess of Cups. So Queen of Cups, definitely they have strong emotions towards you. They do love you, and they're thinking about to offer stability to this connection. For some, your person is financially stable. And Seven of Pentacles, again waiting period. I think they are waiting. Definitely your person is waiting for right time or for divine something. They are waiting for something, because Three of Wands with Seven of Pentacles. But they do love you, and they see you as their Empress and Princess of Cups. Maybe they want to say apology to you if they hurt you. They want to text you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. I think divine timing plays key role in this connection, but they are spying on you and they do love you. Sagittarius. Four of Wands. And yeah, Chariot. They want this celebration with you, this happiness with you. For some, you both could be twin flame or soulmate journey. And Chariot, yes, they will make a move towards you, but slow moving energy. And Knight of Cups, definitely this person have romantic feelings towards you, and they really want to offer their cup of love to you, Sagittarius, but they are in slow moving energy. Yes, the Sun, they are realizing your worth. For some, children's also involved in this connection. Yes, I think you are undergoing some transformation. You are in the major transformation phase. And Knight of Cups, but this person is coming back with their cup of love. I think there are some trust issues for some between both of you. Maybe this person lied to you, cheated on you, miscommunication, false communication in past. Yes, maybe they are scared for rejection, waiting period. King of Cups with Eight of Pentacles. So yes, definitely this person want to work on this relationship. For some, you also want to work on this relationship. Definitely this person and you have mutual feelings. Definitely both love each other, mutual feelings, and you both want to work on this relationship, because these are the mutual card. King of Cups with Eight of Pentacles and Temperance. It's your card and it's your reading. Definitely you both are waiting for patiently for the right time, Sagittarius. You both want to restore the balance in this connection. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Virgo. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Sagittarius. Second chance. Twin flames. New love is coming, I already told. I am afraid to tell you how I feel. I can't let you go. Marriage. So the messages are second chances, twin flames, new love is coming. I am afraid to tell you how I feel. I can't let you go, and marriage. Definitely for some, they want to marry you and they want second chance. For some, you both are in twin flame journey. For some, new love is coming. Yes, they are afraid to tell you how they feel and they can't let you go. For sure. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck. hold your vision, fixed moon. The energy is gaining momentum, waxing moon. Definitely, if you are not seeing any movement in your relationship, maybe if you are in separation, but definitely the energy is gaining momentum, and hold your vision. It will become true. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.